If you are a visual note taker or you want to become a visual note taker, or you don't know what visual note taking is, but it sounds really cool and you want to learn how to do it, definitely come to Visual Meetings in Motion 2025, January 9th through 11th in Arlington, Virginia. If you are not a visual note taker and you're a facilitator who wants to better incorporate visuals into your facilitation practice, you should also come. One thing you should know is that you don't have to come for all 3 days. Each day is a different level. So on day one, we're going to cover drawing skills for adults and all of the fundamental things to get you confident drawing better, drawing for communication, and drawing in front of other people. Day two is all going to be about layout, listening, and how to capture on a page. And day three, you can either track as a facilitator and learn visual energizers. I'll also show you how to draw live and on the fly in front of the room. We'll do some mind mapping techniques. Or if you're wanting to learn how to do visual note taking on the iPad, we'll have a snippet track for you and you can learn how to do digital scribing on day three. So again, if you want to just come and learn how to draw, just come to day one. If you want to learn visual note taking, come to the first 2 days. And if you're a facilitator or you want to learn the iPad, come to all 3 days. The only thing is, you can't skip day one because I do want to make sure that you have a foundation, even if you already know how to draw really well. We're really excited to launch this workshop. You can head to our website, dancingwithmarkers.com, and go to our resources and take a workshop and get more information there. If you have any questions, just reach out to us on our contact page.